Logitech has announced the Mobi Fold, a new $80 wireless mouse that folds into half, making it easier to carry around. It is aimed at people who work regularly from coffee shops, airports, and shared workspaces, but do not want to rely on a laptop trackpad or cram a full-size keyboard into the bag. It features a hinge mechanism that transfers itself into a highly portable 66 mm by 21 mm block into a full-size mouse. When opened at the full 122 mm by 33 mm dimension, Logitech points out that it helps elevate forearm strain compared to using a trackpad. Folding the mouse is how you control its power state. Open the device, turns it on, and snapping it shut turns it off. Because a folding mouse can trigger accidental clicks, Logitech built a small AI model into the device to ignore button presses when the hinge is in motion. The exterior is covered by dust-resistant silicone sleeve, and the company says the internal hinge is rated to survive 15 years of daily use. It weighs 75 grams. It features a touch panel that supports adaptive scrolling for both line-by-line reading and fast internal scrolling. The touch area includes two programmable buttons. The main left and right button use Logitech quick click switches. For connectivity, it has Bluetooth Low Energy 5.0 and can pair up to 3 devices at one time, allowing you to switch between laptop, tablet, and phone. It's the first Logitech device to support Google FastPass certification, making it easier to connect with Android devices and Chromebook. The built-in 100 milliampere battery is rated to last 32 days on a full charge. If it dies, a 1 minute charge will give you 22 hours of battery life. But you will have to provide your own cable, as Logitech does not include in the box. There is a $90 business version that includes Logibolt USB-C receiver for more secure connection and longer 2-year warranty. The standard Mobi Fold is available in graphite, lilac, and off-white plans available in certain markets.